I was born and raised in Bakersfield, and I'm also blessed to be a great-granddaughter of Will Rogers. My number one goal is to go out and educate people on who he was and what he did. I've had the honor of meeting a lot of people, from celebrities to just people that remember Will Rogers. There's still a very small generation that remember him, that were alive and tell about the day that he died and how their father pulled over the car on the side of the road. Everybody was pulled over and people were crying, and people have told me stories. You know, as a child, they were like, "What happened?" My job as the family spokesperson and family member is to keep his legacy alive, because he was so important to America. And at the time of his death, he had made over 70 movies. He had written 6 books. He had a daily newspaper column that reached 40 million readers a day. That is unbelievable. And he gave a weekly radio address. He was the highest paid actor of his time back then. There's nobody that can even come close to the things that he did. And he did it all in 55 short years.